Namaste friends, how are you all doing? Myself Vaidya Sauraparashar, and with the help of this video I wanted to share something with you all which is very close to my life. Friends, have you wondered why we cannot live our life to the 100% potential that God has gifted us with? I believe one of the reasons is because of the choices that we have. The choices they make our mind split into different zones, and then we cannot put our heart and soul into one of the things. It was like that for me when I had to take the decisions of which subject I wanted to pursue. And again, even now, when we have to decide be it our career or be it our relationship, then we really want to have the calm and composed frame of mind where we can know things as they are and not how we are imagining them to be. And that can only happen through meditation, and which I learned from the art of living. And it helped me go into a state where I was like, okay, this is what I want and this is what I'm doing. One of the quotes by Sri Ravi Shankar ji, I remember, it says the definition of the right action. He says the right action is which brings you short-term misery but long-term joy. So okay, knowing this intellectually is one thing, and then living it, that really makes a difference into your life, I believe. If I go back looking at my story, it was like I was selected the school football team captain and school rowing team captain just after the workshop I did within a span of 2-3 months, because I had such tremendous improvement in my stamina and in my performance. My relationship with my parents had improved, and yeah, life really did take a takeoff from there. And I could take the decision of becoming a doctor because my marks were really bad back then. But the confidence I had, because I was like, okay, I did not study and now I'm going to study. So, and again, the time management, because if I see all these my 5 years of my Ayurveda medicine studies, I could also devote my time to my family business and to the hobbies which I wanted to do. So, and the last example which I like to give from my life was the recent January month where I participated in an all India karate tournament. I was just a white belt there because I have never been into this combat sports. And surprisingly, I got a silver because it again there also it's your mind. If it is in the zone, then you can outperform. So that is it, friends. I want you all to just use the opportunity and learn this technique which is coming up. The same workshop is going to happen in this coming weekend, and just go and grab it because life doesn't happen twice. So you gotta taste it.